Okay friends, to get started on replacing this pulley, we're first going to have to remove the belt. To do that, I'm going to come right down to this area right here, and I'm going to grab onto the tensioner. I'm going to pull this counterclockwise. That's going to relieve tension, and now we can slide it off of the idler pulley. Now we can use our 16mm socket. We'll put it right onto the tensioner bolt here. Something that I want you to pay attention to is to loosen this bolt right here, you actually need to go clockwise, so in the opposite direction than you normally would. All right. Now we can remove our bolt and the washer, and there it is, friends. All right, now it's time to get our tensioner pulley on there. I want to mention that you want to make sure that you clean up the threads on the mounting bolt. Make sure it's in good condition, and let's get ready for our install. When we put the tensioner pulley down here, we want it to rest right on this little nub right there. It should fit right into the bearing. There we are. It's going to pretty much hold itself there. We can put our bolt in, and when we tighten this, we're going to go counterclockwise. Now we can bottom this out. And now we'll torque it to 37 foot-pounds. All right, now it's going to be time to put the belt on. If for some reason it fell off of all the pulleys, you can just go ahead and look at the sticker that's right on your cowl and see what it's supposed to be. All right, let's go ahead and relieve tension. We're going to take this, bring it right around that idler pulley. Double check all of your pulleys, make sure the belt's sitting on properly. Okay friends, we got the pulley back on there. What's left to do now? Now you're just going to want to make sure that you double check to make sure the belt is sitting on all the pulleys properly. If it's off by just one groove, you could potentially cause a lot of damage to your belt and you're going to have to replace it. After you're sure it's perfect, go ahead and start up the truck, let it run for a minute, turn it back off, and triple check the belt. After that, take it for a road test.